Hi everyone, welcome again to Money and Chi. And today we are on day 2 of week 2. Started with 5 stocks yesterday. Today I'm not gonna do any stocks, but I will teach you how to do GTC. It's called Good Till Cancelled. Many of us are not really early birds. Like, I wake up around 12 noon. So therefore, by the time that I wake up, the market is almost closed, and so therefore I need something to do my trade even if I'm sleeping. The reason why is that I'm moving soon to Europe, and therefore I will be in European time. So if you are an OFW and you're not in the Philippines, you probably need to know this, because you will not be always awake by the time it happened. And again, we are position traders, so hindi naman talaga tayo nagte-trade every hour, every minute. We just look for our target price. So yesterday we set our target price. Today we will do that here in the platform to set those target price as buying within the week. Okay, if you're in the Philippines, I would let you make different styles. I'll discuss that later. Another thing that we will be showing today are the daily reports of the 3 online brokers that I have. Remember, if you're opening an account, you have to make sure that they have a very good research. For BDO, apparently they have a system update today, so I cannot show that to you today, but I'll probably show that to you maybe tomorrow or another day. But I will show to you first MetroSec and Call Financials. So let's start with the report first. So first we'll go to Call Financials. So what you have to do is go to research and then just click that, and then it will show this table. So there's morning notes, company reports, technical spotlight, and company snapshot. So every morning they update a daily report. So if you open that, you can see for today, April 20, they have a daily note. So they have a stock in focus. So today their focus is AP, or Aboitiz Power. They were saying reducing estimates as Dinginin project completion pushed back. So because of COVID, of course, most of the constructions are, delayed, and so therefore most of the projects will be delayed as well. So that in that case, especially in power, there's a lot of costs related to delays. Like the rental of construction things, you rent that every day, and every day the rental is millions of pesos. So if you are delayed for a month, then how much millions will you lose? Of course, that will lower the IRR of that project, lower that return, and instead of that already giving return to the company, it's not gonna happen anymore. So, or it will be delayed. So therefore, they are lowering the target price for that as well. So if you are positioned, if you follow their recommendation, so they were saying that their recommendation before has now been cut off because of this reason. So on the right side, you can see the update of the indices and index gainers, then they have the losers, and then the top most active stocks. So you can just see what happened last day. So usually the report for today is what happened to the last trading day. So if today is Monday, then what happened last Friday. And then so they also have top stories. All of these links you can actually click, and then you can go directly to the news. So EEI for 2019, profits up to 118.4% year-on-year on strong construction activities, cautious outlook for 2020. So if you are reading this, what idea or what happened? So we will look what happened to EEI. Let's go to EEI. So EEI actually rose 1.09% today, right? So that news actually affected the stock price to go up by 1%, even though the market today was actually down today by 0.97%. So it's not so bad. The reason for this is because I read the news this morning that there is a possibility that the lockdown might be extended. So that's the reason for it to go down. So that's why it's very important that you know what happened in the morning, so that you can analyze what will happen to the stock. Another top story is JGS for 2009 core earnings in line with forecast. So let's see what happened to JGS. Still went down by 0.93%. So it didn't affect that much. Pero since the market is down, 0.97% is not so bad. So ibig sabihin, medyo na-balance out niya yung baba sa market. Kasi remember, JG Summit is the Gokongwei. So they also own Cebu Pacific. So it's an airline company. So if it's delayed, of course, that has a big impact on their returns. But then the news actually gave them a better return or not so bad effect. So just read all the news here, and then you can see, what happened to their stocks today, so that every day you kind of get the feel of what kind of news moves the stocks or not. And it's a very good drill to do that. Even though you're not trading, it's very important to understand where the market is moving because of this news, because of this reports that's being out in the public. Because remember, stock market is moved by people's perception of it. So if many investors think that okay, it's a good thing, then it will go up. If everyone thinks it's a bad thing, even though you have a different perspective, at the end of the day, it's a consensus of everybody else. So it doesn't matter what you think. You have to make sure that you understand how everyone else thinks. Next one, we go to First Metrosec. So again, I mentioned before, I've been using First Metrosec for a very long time already. The reason for that is because they have a very good platform, for me at least. When I open it, I already see my immediately my portfolio is in front. I will share with you the snapshot of that. But yeah, we will do the GTC later as well. Yeah. So if you open the First Metrosec report, every Monday they have 4 reports that they share. So they have weekly report. This is what happened last week. They have the technical analysis. So they have a technical analysis for this coming week. They have a trader's playbook, and they have a consensus corner. So I will share with you these reports so that you can see, and then maybe you want to open an account or whatever. So if it's not Monday, for First Metrosec, they actually have 2 reports, which is technical analysis and daily report. Yeah. So yeah, they also have peaks of the week. So here they share JFC. They were saying selling point at 160. Dito, which MWC or Manila Water, they think that the support for PSE right now is 5,300, and then the resistance is at 5,800. So yeah, if you see right now, currently we are at 5,733, and we're almost at the resistance. So if it reaches that level, it will go down again. That's what they're recommending. If it breaks, then it will go upward. Technical analysis. So they just have the opportunity type. They will just say short-term bullish, intermediate term bearish. So again, if it's bearish, it's gonna go down. For us, that's a lookout because that's when we buy, right? So again, we set the target prices that we are willing to buy those stocks, the 5 stocks yesterday. This is for traders. So for us, it's just like a trigger. Okay, can we buy now? Kasi is it still going down? Is it still going up? Kasi we want to buy at low price. Of course, we're still gonna wait. Remember, if you're a position trader, the very most important thing that you should do is, or your most the best attribute that you will have is patience and waiting. You know, wait until the right opportunity, but don't wait too long because you might miss it. So you have to read very well until when are you willing to wait. So it's very good for you as an investor to always stay updated to what's happening in the market, what's happening in the news and everything, because you're now a business person. You know, if you're a business person, everything, all of these things matters to you because you're an owner of those companies. So if, let's say for example, you own a share of JFC or Jollibee, so if Jollibee cannot operate properly, then that will affect you as an investor because that's your business now. That, you know, if you can see that most Jollibee stores are closed, then that will affect your business. So that's how you should think. So if, let's say the government says, okay, we will probably extend another 15 days of the lockdown, then that will affect you as a business owner of the stocks. You know, you own all these stocks, you're a shareholder, you are owner of this company. So that's how you should think. Google, shut up. Google is talking to me again. Anyway, so we will now proceed with the GTC. Hi everyone, so now we are in the platform of First Metro Sec. As you can see, this is what you will see when you open it. You have the account balance. So here we have the market update, which is down today, and then they have the announcement below, research reports, they have it here, and the PSE market news. Okay, so now let's go to quotes first. And you have here on the left side the stocks that we're about to buy. So let's start with JFC. Okay. So now we're in JFC. And then as you can see, the price is 143 per share. We are targeting to buy 100 shares for this at 110 pesos. But again, we're just gonna buy 50% of that because, you know, maybe it goes lower than 110. Then let's buy the other 50% on that level. So what you're gonna do here is buy. Yep. So here you get click the code so that it shows here what is the current price, but doesn't matter because we're gonna buy it at different price at 110. Okay, and then the term, you click here, you can see day, GTW, or GTM. So day is today, but you cannot do that because the market is closed. So you can choose good till week. So it's gonna be good for the week, and then GTM is good for the month. So we wanted to do GTW. So that will be 5,500. Then you can view order and then just put your password and then confirm. So the order has been sent. That's how it should be. Then you can look at view orders. And then you can see that it's already there. So every day it will be lined up at that price point. So you can just sleep and just whatever happens. So now we are here in Call Financials. Here you can see these items and then this one. And then you can see here the latest research that they have. So they have for TEL today. They have for EI and AP and daily notes today. So that's how easy it is as well. They have call announcement as well. You have to look at this. This is what I like about Call Financials naman, because they have this announcement. So if there's dividend, if there's an IPO, you can immediately see it from here. It's clearer for me lang. I know where to look at. And then this is the most active stocks and then PSEI. Yeah, so here we can let's go to the quotes first. So here we will buy Bloom. 5.9. We've targeted at 5. So it's kind of higher than that. So what do we do is we go to trade, and then we go to, where's the offline? Yeah. OH is off hours order. So this is like the good till canceled. It's like, I don't know how they term it. It's ATC and ATO. So ATC is you are entering an ATC order. Your order will be sent during market runoff with a price equivalent to the closing price of the stock. So, ibig sabihin nito, kahit anong price, basta closing price, yun yung magiging ibabay mo. Pero ATO naman is your order with that price itself. So, again, ulitin natin. Balik tayo. Bloom. And then, 500. What wala? At 5. Diba? Preview order. Okay, so as you can see, off hours order placement preview order by Bloom, 500 shares at 5 pesos. So the amount is 2,500. Commission, this is the charges that they will charge you. So you will pay 22.78 pesos for doing this trade. So enter your password, place order, and voila, that's your order. So you can just click off hours, view orders, and there. So just so you know, if ever this was done, then it will just show up. If not, then if you want to change it, kasi kunyari ayaw mo na ng 5 pesos, so you just cancel it. The same with First Metrosec. You can always cancel order here. Okay, don't forget about that. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is the platform of BDO Nomura. Sorry about my stock position. Anyway, so here you can go to buy, and then once it's there, you can look for the stock, and let's say we're going to buy SECB. Sorry about my buying power. I don't know why it's 13 pesos. I tried to transfer because I tried to pull it out and then tried to put it back. Pero I don't know why it's not there yet. It's supposed to be fast, you know. Pero because I did it on a weekend, so probably that's what happened. Anyway, so we're gonna buy 100 shares. Pero let's start with 50 shares muna. So, I cannot see kung anong price niya, yung last trade niya, which is weird. But anyways, let's just put it at 100. Let's see. Ano ba price ni SECB? SECB traded at 104.8 today. So, it's 104. Medyo close siya, no? So, let's put it at 50. And then, let's go to board. That's normal. Action buy, and then fill date. This is where it happens. Yung GTC, good till canceled or good till day. So GTD is like just the whole day, no? Pero good till canceled is forever yan. Hanggang sa i-cancel mo siya. So guys, thank you for watching Money and Chi. Trade with Chi, day 2 of week 2. Haba no na. Okay. So, yeah, if you have any question, please feel free to comment below or message me. And please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And please hit the notification button so that you're always updated every time I upload a video. As you can see, sometimes I upload daily, sometimes weekly. So, but then, yeah, every Sunday, definitely I'll do a weekly recap. And, yeah, some stuff. But anyways, please do monitor the market always, because you are an investor and you should take it seriously. Okay, so thank you and have a great day. Happy investing.